Hey, good morning, folks. We are heading out on the road again. We're heading up to Charlottesville to finish up configuring some projectors. So, it is early. Well, I'm really supposed to have left at 6:30. It is around like 6:50 right now. It takes about an hour and 15 minutes to get up there. So I'm gonna be running. Hopefully it's not gonna take very long. Mainly I just need to calibrate the projector to fit to the screen that we hung up there. Just dial it in. So I think that's about it. Then I need to get back because then we have our live stream today, which I normally would do at 11:45, but I'll probably, depending on what time I get back, might push it back to noon. Then after that, I'm gonna crash. I got a lot of videos that I need to do and got a lot of prep work that I have to do as well. So come along and let's see what we can talk about in today's adventure. So let's go. All right, we're here, folks. Finishing up here at Mount Zion, and then gonna turn right back around and head back to Richmond. So let's go. All right, so we're getting ready to come in here and get this configured. And then that was the other one that we put up. So this should be pretty quick. All right, so here's the fellowship hall that we did earlier this year. Same projector, the Panasonic that's up there. And if we walk up here, I actually left my keys. That's why I'm back up here again. Now we're in the sanctuary where we did the screens and same projectors here. I just turned the system off after taking pictures that everything was working. So, whew. Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. Mount Zion First African Church in Charlottesville. Baptist Church in Charlottesville. I just remember doing all these videos when I was in here with the sounds and all this other stuff. So really, it's really cool to see your work put together. People enjoying the work that you're doing. And thankfully, the only people here are me and the pastor, but I am leaving. So 15 minutes to get everything working. I think that's cool. All right, let's get on the road and head back and get ready for this live stream. All right, we are back and we picked up some food, getting ready to get prepared for our Friday Q&A live stream. All right, folks, let me turn it off. All right, so I finished the live stream. I'm trying to think what else I got going on. In the live stream, I mentioned this book, The Autopsy of a Deceased Church. I'm gonna put a link in the description to it. Excellent book. I'm gonna reread it again, and I think I'm gonna try and discuss it on our roundtable on our Facebook group. But yeah, I'm just honestly just trying to relax. I'm trying to get ready to start editing this video, and then a bunch of videos that I did do, the audio didn't come out right. So I'm gonna be re-recording that maybe tomorrow. Just wanna try and rejuvenate and refresh myself just from running all week. So I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog for today. I know it was kind of short, but the whole thing is just really trying to get to the point where doing more videos every single day, push myself to do more. And sometimes I don't have a lot. I mean, I do have a lot of website stuff that I'm gonna do. I have to do that for Lebanon Baptist Church, do some more stuff for mine. my church, and then got to do something for a couple of other clients that I have, so a lot of stuff. Then gonna be trying to go out and about and hang out with some friends today, because I normally I'm here doing this. So like I said, refreshing and rejuvenating. So that's what I'm gonna focus on. So be on the lookout for some new videos. I'm gonna see what we're gonna do tomorrow. If I do the video where I'm actually working on redoing, I think I will do that. Talk about going back into my programming days to where we have a dev environment and a production environment. Gonna start building out our website, an updated version of our website on a dev site, and probably do that for Lebanon Baptist as well as mine and my church, and try and roll with that and go from there. So I have a bunch of other projects that are coming up. Like I said, we're gonna be hitting the road, finish up some other stuff, and just waiting to get the ATEM in for, maybe I should turn the lights on. But that show, no, I got that light right there. I should have turned those on. But got some other projects that I got to finish up, and I'm still waiting on our ATEM television studio HD for our church. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I mean, I could easily just bring my ATEM Mini Pro, but I need to convert. I would literally have to go from only using the back camera, I guess the side camera, and then our Pro Presenter we could do. Still trying to think about that, and I guess I could hook it up to the software to where it could be controlled that way. I don't know. This is just important of noticing sometimes you need to have a backup system just in case. But anyway, thanks y'all for catching up with me, seeing what we got going on today. And again, media ministry is not just a one-time thing. You can literally spend every day of the week working on media ministry, and that's what I do, whether it be for my media ministry or for others. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. We'll catch you in the next video. Later.